Dear beginner woodworker, you have exactly what you need to start building woodworking projects. You're good enough to do it. Let's start. Woodworker, the best advice I can give you is to don't wait until you have all those fancy tools you see all those other woodworkers have that are on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You don't need those fancy table saws. You don't need the big miter saw. You don't need jointers and planers just to start. All you need is a circular saw and a drill. You need a way to cut the wood, you need a way to put the wood together, and you need the will to want to build stuff. That's it. Don't wait until you think you're ready to start. You have what you need. Get out there and make some sawdust. Do not tell yourself that you're not a woodworker. Fancy tools and a big shop does not make you a woodworker. You are a woodworker. Say it with me. I am a woodworker. The moment you make your first cut, that first bit of sawdust, you're a woodworker. Nobody's going to come along and knight you a woodworker. Nobody's going to give you a badge that says, I'm a woodworker. Start making wood projects right then. You're a woodworker. Doesn't matter if you're making projects as simple as chevrons or if you're starting to make more advanced projects like end tables, dining tables, side tables, TV stands, doesn't matter. If you're building, you're a woodworker. I see the projects that you guys are sending me on Instagram and Facebook. They are fantastic woodworking projects that you're making. Very talented. You're very talented. Woodworker, listen to me. There's somebody out there today laying in a hospital bed begging God for one more healthy day. You have an amazing opportunity in front of you if you have your health. Don't waste it by sitting around wishing you would start something or thinking about starting something or worrying about starting something. Don't waste this opportunity. It's not going to last very long. If you see somebody else building awesome projects that you really enjoy, that you would like to build yourself, the only way to get there is to start making sawdust. If you wait and wait and wait, your skill's not going to grow. It's not going to be magic dust sprinkled on you and all of a sudden wake up one day and start making that awesome project. You have to get out there and learn. Learn the craft and work your way to that. You're not going to start out making just these elaborate projects. You got to start somewhere. Start with beginner projects, work your way up. I know you worry about what if I make a mistake? What if I mess up? Expect that. Expect that you're going to make mistakes. Think about the biggest YouTuber woodworker that you know, the biggest Instagram woodworker you know, the biggest celebrity woodworker you know. It doesn't matter if it's John Malecki or Fix This Build That or Steve Ramsey or the Wood Whisperer. All of those guys are making absolutely amazing projects. They are amazingly skilled craftsmen. I promise you, they're making mistakes. There's only been one man that has ever walked the face of this earth that was perfect. Right there. Not you, not me. We're going to make mistakes. We're human. Don't let the fear of making a mistake hold you back. You know you're going to make them, just go for it. Miss 731 says, if it's made of wood, it's not set in stone. That's a fantastic quote because it's just wood. You can just remake it. Give yourself a little grace. If you mess up, don't even worry about it. Just make something else. Woodworker, I know that the fear of starting is scary. I've been there. I know the fear of feeling like it's not going to be good enough, that I'm not good enough. I know the fear of making projects and being worried and scared that they're not going to like what you make. I know the fear of posting that first item for sale and being scared to death nobody's going to buy it. I have a name for that fear. I call him Goliath. There's an amazing opportunity in front of you with woodworking. It's a path, right? Goliath is standing in the middle of that path staring you in the face. You got to look up at him. He's Goliath. He's big. You have to be willing to look at Goliath in the eye and tell him, you will not stop me from doing this, Goliath. You will not be the reason that I don't start. You will not be the reason that I do not make this project. Tell Goliath, you're not strong enough to stop me. You look at Goliath and you say, Goliath, I'm coming through. And then you go straight for him. You push through that fear and you start making sawdust. You start making these projects and stop worrying about what everybody else is going to think. Stop worrying about what the world thinks about what you're building. It's your project. It's your creation. You're going to make it uniquely you. And the only way to do that is to start building projects. You cannot let fear stand in your way. Fear will stop you. Fear will kill your dreams. Go watch our live stream from a few weeks back when we talked about fear killing dreams. Fear kills dreams. Fear stops them in their tracks. You can't sit around and be scared to start or scared to put yourself out there. You will never go anywhere if you do that. You will stay in the same place. Woodworker, you cannot get complacent with your safety. You get 2 of these, you get 10 of these, and you get 2 of these. Some of them are bigger than others, like mine. That's okay. Protect them. You're going to need them later in life when you're still making awesome woodworking projects. Protect them at all costs. Woodworker, do not be afraid to try new projects. Do not be worried about stretching yourself and learning a new skill. Put yourself out there. It's okay if that new project fails. You've just found a way that it won't work. Try it again. The next one may. If it don't, try it again. Try it again. Try it again. Thomas Edison is quoted as saying, if you fail 10,000 times, you've found 10,000 ways it won't work. Don't get discouraged on your journey. Think about woodworking as a marathon. It is not a sprint. Try to enjoy each step of that journey. It is not going to be an overnight success story to where you wake up one day, somebody sprinkled that magic dust on you, and now magically you're an amazingly skilled woodworker who's making a living doing full-time woodworking overnight. It just don't happen. You have to be willing to put in the work and the hours and to build yourself into a skilled woodworker. Don't get so focused on trying to finish that next project that you don't enjoy the build. That's part of woodworking, is you enjoy the process of building the item. Except for Sandy. Nobody likes that. Don't get discouraged when you see other builders making these amazing projects that took time and skill to make. You're just starting your marathon. They may be a long way into their marathon. That's okay. You'll get there. Just keep running. Have patience. Patience is an invaluable virtue to have. Patience will make you a safer woodworker. Patience will make your projects better. Patience will make you a better person. Patience. Take your time. It's a marathon. It's going to be a while. Be proud of your name, woodworker. Be proud of your last name. Be proud of your business name. That name represents what you stand for and what you're about. Be proud of it. Take pride in your work. Be proud of yourself and what you accomplish when you put your mind and determination to it. Woodworker, your time will come when others look up to you as the skilled woodworker, the one with the great tools, the one with the great wisdom. Remember when you get to that point to reach back and pick the next woodworker up and bring him up there with you. That beginner woodworker is going to need your encouragement. He's going to need your knowledge and your wisdom to be shared with them to help bring them up with you. Just reach back, bring them up. You're in it together. You want to help that beginner woodworker so he doesn't make the same mistakes that you made. Tell him about the mistakes you made. Tell them about the skills or the techniques that you're using to build certain projects. Help each other out. When you're scrolling through Instagram or Facebook and you see that woodworker has built an amazing project, you look at it and you're like, that's awesome. Tell them that. Hit that comment button. Type in there, that's awesome, good job. We all like to hear encouraging words to let us know that others appreciate our work and that we're doing something people like. We want to hear that. I like hearing it from you guys. I know you guys like hearing it from others when they tell you you're doing a good job. You want to know that your work is good. Let others know. We are a tight community of woodworkers and makers. We are not here to compete with each other. We are not enemies. The enemy is Goliath, remember? We are a team. We are here to work together. We're here to support each other. We are a family. And hey, I want to welcome you to the 731 family. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook at 731 Woodworks if you have questions. I'm more than happy to help you in any way that I possibly can. Just send me a message. I read every one of them. Woodworker, let me tell you that you matter. Your projects, your work matters. You build a dining table for a customer or for your own family, that piece will be in their family, Lord willing, for years to come. They're going to sit around that table and have dinner together. They're going to have memorable conversations around that table. They're going to laugh around that table. They're going to cry around that table. That table that you made with your own hands will be there for generations. And they will have so many memories around that table. You will make an impact by building such an amazing piece. That's awesome. The projects and items that you build matter. They matter to the people you're building for. They matter to the woodworking community. They matter to me, and they matter to you because you're building them. You matter. Now, woodworker, you get out there and make some sawdust. Sincerely, 731 Woodworkers.